If you need to give someone access to help manage your website, billing, or hosting settings, Bluehost makes it simple to invite a manager directly to your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invite a manager to your Bluehost account, choose the right permissions, and make sure they can access only what you want them to access. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your account or profile icon. This is usually near the top corner of the page, and it gives you access to your account settings and user management options. After that, click on your account or profile icon. From the menu that appears, look for a section called Account Users or Users. Bluehost may update the exact wording from time to time, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the place where you can manage people who have access to your account. Once you find the user section, click Invite User. This is the option that starts the process of adding a new person to your Bluehost account. Now, you'll see a form where you can enter the manager's details. Type in the person's name and email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct, because Bluehost will send the invitation to that address. If you mistype it, the invite won't reach the right person and you'll have to resend it later. Next, choose the role or permissions for the manager. This is one of the most important steps because it controls what they can and cannot do inside your Bluehost account. If this is someone helping with general account management, you may want to give them limited access. If they need more control for hosting support or website administration, choose the most appropriate role available, but always review it carefully before continuing. Take a moment to double-check the permissions. Ask yourself whether this person really needs access to billing, hosting settings, domain management, or other sensitive areas. It's always a good idea to give the minimum access necessary for the job. That keeps your account more secure while still allowing your manager to help you effectively. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Bluehost will send an invitation email to the manager right away. After that, the person you invited will need to open their email and accept the invitation. Until they accept it, they won't have access yet. When they click the link in the email and accept the invite, they'll be added to your Bluehost account with the permissions you selected. From that point on, they can log in and manage the account according to the role you assigned. And that's it. You've now learned how to invite a manager to your Bluehost account in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to delegate work, collaborate with a team member, or get help from a developer, assistant, or manager without sharing your personal login details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.